Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Robert. For all you guys that don't know, I'm a retired NYPD motorcycle lieutenant. Served 22 years in the NYPD. 15 of those years were in the motorcycle unit. And on this channel, we talk about motorcycle riding, motorcycle safety, and specifically slow operating motorcycle skills, because that's the skill that's most important, believe it or not, operating your motorcycle. And the purpose is to get you to be the boss of your motorcycle. All right, so welcome to the channel. For those that you have been here before, welcome back. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. All right, you have a good thing, you want to share it with people. So, all right, I will tell you guys that although I just gave this big speech about what this channel is about, motorcycles and blah, 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 I also always tell you guys, it's always going to be about that, but it doesn't mean that's all it's going to be about. If I ever have something that I feel is beneficial to you, I'm going to share it with you, definitely. I don't even have to think twice about that. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the garage, your garage, and how you're going to make it more comfortable for you. I know I told you guys that I'm not going to just talk to you about motorcycle stuff. I'm going to share anything with you that I think will benefit you. Now, this is not about motorcycles. However, I think it's related. So most of us tinker around in our garage, whether it's with our motorcycles or with whatever, or some of us it's our man cave, so the garage is some place that we spend some time in. Now, I know I watched a few videos from Traveling Tall, shout out to Traveling Tall, and in the videos I watched from Traveling Tall, he said that it was too hot in his garage and he went inside his house to continue recording. And Wood Jr., it was a video I saw him, they were installing I think headlights. They were doing a headlight and some front signal lights on his motorcycle. And they had a big fan going. It was hot in there, I know it. I felt the heat and I wasn't even there. So I have to share this with you guys because I think it's a must get. First thing, see these garage doors? Insulate the doors. That dropped the temperature in my garage by at least 10 to 15, I'm going to say 10 to 12 degrees, just with the insulation alone. And I got this from Home Depot. It comes with these little tabs. It comes with the rolls of insulation, and then it comes with these little tabs. And this is like a piece that you put on, but the first part of it sticks out. It's a sticky piece that you put on the door that comes out, and then this is the cap, and that's what keeps this on. All right. They sell all kinds of insulation, but this is the one I got from Home Depot, and this is, it's fiberglass insulation, and it's very easy to install. I think I had to use 2 boxes. I had to use 2 boxes to do my 2 doors. But some people have like one long door. So I would definitely look that up. As a matter of fact, I'll put a link in the description for it. And the next thing that you just have to get is a mini split. That is a game changer. Because listen, I'm in South Georgia. It gets hot here. So there are times when I want to do stuff in the garage and it's just too hot. And you have to do it either early in the morning, which I don't get up early, or late at night. Some people keep their garage doors open and then the bugs come in and kill you. So that's not happening either. I also play ping pong. Here's my ping pong table. So sometimes you want to play some ping pong in here. Without the AC, that's not going to happen. So highly recommend this. It's not a lot of work, especially if you don't do it. But it really isn't a lot of work. All I had to do was they had to go into my main panel, because you have to have a dedicated line for it, of course. And they ran the wire going down here. You see here's the insulation for the wire up over the garage door. Okay, should I say garage doors? And then back down. And this is where it all comes in. And that's housing wires and like refrigerant, crap like that. And all they have to do is make a hole in your wall, maybe about that big. And the hole in the wall is going to go to the outside unit. So let's go to the outside and check that out. This is probably the first time that you guys are seeing the Santa Fe out of the garage. But she's outside now because she's in my way. I got to take some trees down. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go check out the outside unit. So this is the outside unit of a mini split. Some people put it on the floor, but you also have the option to put it on your wall. which is where I wanted it, you know, and I think that's the best place for it instead of having it on the ground taking up space. And this is the size of the hole that comes through the house. You know, it's not a large hole at all. There's the back of the mount that goes on the house. It's super quiet. It uses way less energy than a conventional air conditioner. I mean, look, it's on right now. You hear how quiet that is? If I was standing outside my other air conditioners, you wouldn't even be able to hear. Here's the other thing that's a kicker. When I first was ordering this thing, I told the guy, I said, listen, I don't need, because you can get they have air conditioning units and heated units. I said, I don't need heat, I just need air conditioning. I'm in South Georgia. Guy said to me, listen, it comes with heat, so I said, all right, I'll take it. And guess what's on right now? The heat, because it's cold in here. I don't know, oh, that feels good. I don't know what's going on, but it's gonna warm up tomorrow. Anyway, there's a bunch of different models. This one happens to be a Mitsubishi electric. This is 18,000 BTUs, and it's plenty to do my garage. So in the summertime, when I'm doing my yard work, I turn the AC on, I keep the garage doors down, and whenever I need to come inside and get a little break or whatever, oh, it's so refreshing to walk into a cool garage. All right, so highly recommend it. Look it up. It comes with a remote, and there's all types of. Here's the remote. Now I have this set to heat at 77. You know what would help the garage warm up? If I close the garage door. How about that? Now, this garage door is saying it's 66 degrees in here. I don't think so, because it's cold. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I know that the garage is an extension of the house. So it needs to be comfortable for you as well. All right, no reason to be burning up and no reason to be freezing. So that's gonna do it. This is the first time I'm gonna say I planned on making it short, and it is short. I hope this helped you guys out. Something to think about. It's an extension of your house. So anyway, as always, guys, be careful out there. Ride safe. Keep the shiny side up and the sticky side down. My brothers and sisters in blue, please be careful out there. Don't get complacent. Brothers and sisters on two wheels, same message. All right? Spend more time being thankful for the things that you have and less time complaining about the things that you don't. All right, until next time.